Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 31st March 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are now exiting the gate of this old world and entering the gate to the land of peace and the land of happiness. Only the Father shows you the path to liberation and liberation in life. Question: what is the best karma at the present time? Answer: the best karma is to become sticks for the blind in your thoughts, words and deeds. You children should churn the ocean of this knowledge, about which words should be written, so that people can find the path home to liberation, as well as to the land of liberation in life, so that they can easily understand that the path to peace and happiness is shown here. Essence for Dharana. First is, never become angry in your thoughts, words or deeds. Pay a lot of attention to these three windows. Do not talk unnecessarily. Do not cause sorrow for one another. Second is, remain intoxicated in this knowledge and yoga, and watch the scenes and scenery at the end. Finish any consciousness of bodies by forgetting your own name and form and the names and forms of others, and remain in the awareness of souls. Blessing for today. May you be a soul merged in love and filled with love and attainment, and by shooting arrows of love, make others unconscious with love. Details are: in a worldly way, when someone is absorbed in love for someone, you feel from his or her face, eyes and words that that one is merged in love, that one is in love. In the same way, when you go onto a stage, however much love for the Father you have emerged in you, arrows of love will accordingly make others unconscious with love. Do not have the form of thinking of a link of lecture or of repeating points. Instead, let there be the form of being merged in love, being filled with love and attainment. When you speak as an authority, it has an impact. Slogan is, by attaining completion and perfection, bring the time of completion close. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Adopt the culture of truth and good manners. Everyone has begun to understand that there is the One. However, this one is the only one. Now plow the field of this upheaval. They have now reached the stage of saying that as well as this one there are others too, but now shoot such an arrow that they say, this is the only one. The field is ready and will continue to be ready, but the foundation, newness and seed is this new knowledge. They have experienced that this is altruistic love and spiritual love, but now, together with love, show them that you are souls with the authority of this knowledge, the authority of true this knowledge. Reveal this, then revelation will then take place.